How to change lock screen app shortcut on Google Pixel 8a. First off, lock your phone. When you lock your Pixel, you can see left shortcut or right shortcut set on your device. To change the shortcut, unlock your Pixel device. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on a wallpaper and style. Now tap on a lock screen tab at the top left side. Tap on a lock screen. Now scroll. Here you can see the shortcuts option. Tap on it. Now you can see left shortcut or right shortcut. In left shortcut, select the option from camera, do not disturb, flashlight, home, mute, QR code or video camera option. In left shortcut, we select the QR code scanner. Now tap on a right shortcut. Here we select the do not disturb. Now set the left shortcut and right shortcut. Now lock your phone and you can see the left shortcut or right shortcut. Just double tap or long press it to quickly access that function on your device. So quite easy to set left shortcut or right shortcut. If you don't want to use, just choose the none option, tap on a shortcut and choose the none option. Now you can right shortcut, choose the none. Now you can see remove the left shortcut or right shortcut on your device. So quite easy to change the lock screen app shortcut on your Google Pixel 8a. That's it. If you like it, share it.